This wig comes in 5 different colors, as you guys can tell in the back. We have 613, the Dr. or DR 27, I don't even know how to say it. We have burgundy, chocolate, and copper. Alright, so the one we got the burgundy today. So this is what the burgundies look like. It has little curls on the bottom, which I'm all for. And then the top is black. And we have comb on the side and as well comb on the bottom. Let's get this started. This is gonna be fun. Oh my god. Ooh. I ain't gonna hold you. This is cute. This is definitely cute. I'm no longer a big fan of like short wigs anymore, like short hair, but this would definitely do. So let's get our comb and try to comb it through. And then we could style a bit more by adding, you know, some of our red by Kiss. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's red by Kiss styling foam. So this is a styler fixer from Mousse. It's, you know, freeze prevention, shine wrap, everything. This is probably like the third one that I own by them. So especially when I have like curls and stuff, I like to, you know, and it does have like some freeze. It kind of takes that away. And then help with the styling. You guys tell me what you guys think so far. I'm liking this. I like this unit. I would definitely wear this. Like, this suits me. And honestly, I like black hair and like blonde or brownish hair. I've never really done burgundy, but I could go for this. This is nice. Well, let me know in the comment section what do you guys think about this wig. Would you guys definitely rock this wig? I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you to Vivace by Red by Kiss for sponsoring this video, as well as sending me this unit to share with you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video.